Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 4th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did make a Fibonacci bounce right at the 50% Fibonacci. Nice little end of a correction, nice little higher low, which would have been an even another opportunity to get in on shorter time frames. Definitely looks like a continuation of the uptrend. I would expect it to at least go up to this 200% Fibonacci extension level before we actually do see a pullback. And if you've seen any of my most recent videos, I actually think gold is going all the way up to about the 25.50 area. So I am definitely looking for longs, and I'm definitely looking to get long at the end of every single one of these little pullbacks that I see. I am doing absolutely nothing until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, except for continuing to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my membership program at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.